Hi guys, bonjour mes amis, I'm Booger, welcome aboard. You guys like pot stickers when you go to a Chinese restaurant or Thai restaurant or Japanese restaurant? Anyways, I'm gonna try them in the air fryer. Why not? We'll see how she goes. So, it requires a little bit of frying on the bottom and then put some water in it, steam, so I don't know how it's gonna work, but anyways, you guys ready for this journey? It's the first time for me too, so let's go. So, first thing I did is I used my processor I put a large carrot in there and mushed it all up, and then that's like a pound of ground pork. You'll see it's like 2 fillets of the pork tenderloin. So put that in there. Alright, so I'm gonna put some ginger. I have probably a tablespoon in there of this stuff. Say a good tablespoon of that. Okay, and I've got some onions. Sometimes I do red onions, cut them up dice them up really thin. This is like 2 bundles of green onions, the green tails and the white parts. Okay, I've got garlic. We love garlic, so I used about 4 cloves. Mushed that all up, and you know, you can put your garlic cloves in the processor with your carrots. It'll mush it up as well, so saves you some time. All right, a good tablespoon of good soy sauce. If you use Kekkoman's, it's very salty, so I wouldn't add any more salt, but this stuff is not as salty. So I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of kosher sea salt and ground black pepper. Okay, I got that. And here is some sesame seed, roasted sesame or toasted sesame seed oil. I'd say 2 teaspoons of that, about 2 teaspoons. Okay, so I have really small eggs, so that's a small egg. If you have a large egg, like separate, like try to not put so much of the egg in there. That's our binder. All right, so that's our mixture. I'm gonna mix this up and then we'll rearrange everything. We'll be back. Okay, so let me show you how this works. This I got off of Amazon, stainless steel. I love it. I have those other plastic ones, they're great, but I wanted something smaller, and I don't know, I was just trying both ways, both of those things. So I've got a little bowl of water here. That's what these look like. I've got a picture here. I'm gonna put what it looks like at the store. It's in the freezer department at your Asian market store. So you just put it on there and wet. I got water here. Wet the edge of it. I've got a little spoon. You could use a teaspoon just so you know how much to put in there, because you don't want to overfill these. They will not look pretty. And then flatten it and just fold it. Push down. Oh, it doesn't take much strength. See that? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let me finish those and then we'll regroup. All right, so the paddle's out and I've got some canola oil in there, and I just poured it in there so I got enough to cover the bottom. And we're gonna get this hot first. So preheat that, bottom on, top on at 4 for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna lay the pot stickers in there. So we'll be back. It's been about 3 minutes. I don't know if you can hear it, but the oil is sizzling. You hear that? Okay, so just lay your pot stickers there. It's okay if they touch, not a big deal. You can still hear the thing turning, so my bottom element's still on. This was my top one, but we're gonna lower that, because what we're trying to do is crisp up the bottom. Ish. Be very careful. It's very hot in there. Yes. I don't know what kind of accent that was. But. And I've got plenty of stuff left over to make 2 of those batches. Okay, that looks good. I could fit one more here, I guess. Okay. Keep the bottom on and turn the top one on 1. So we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. We'll be back. So we're talking 15 minutes, and I think we've achieved some crispiness on the bottom. Yes, sir. We're going to call that good. 15 minutes. Here's the tricky part. We're going to add some water to it so it steams a little bit, okay? So I got a cup here, but I don't think I'm gonna need that much. So just put enough to cover the bottom. So it's just probably half a cup. We're gonna turn the, we're not gonna touch anything. We're just gonna leave it as it is. The bottom is still on. So I'm gonna let you know how long I'm gonna do that. We'll see. Okay, let's turn this off. This is about 10 minutes. Pretty much cooked it till the water was all gone. And I'm thinking we're done. So let me plate it, we'll taste it. Here we go. Okay, time to taste. Aren't they beautiful? Like I'm used to doing it in a pan on the stove. So I tried this just to see for myself and to show you guys that it's possible. It's really possible. So I've got some Ponzu sauce, I guess that's how you say it. We got this in Japan, but the Asian market sell those. It's called Ponzu, P-A-N-Z-U, I think. Do not laugh at my thingamabobbers, okay? Skills, because I suck at it. So don't laugh. I'm not, you know, from Canada, so. Okay? Dip-a-doo. Whoops. Hey, I already dropped it. That's good. You guys. That is so yummy. Crispy bottom, soft top. It's awesome. I'm so surprised. They freeze well too. I'm gonna show you that. I get them frozen a little bit. I lay them on a plate, put them in the freezer, get them frozen, and then I vacuum seal them so they don't mush up together. Anyways, that's a winner. Chicken dinner. Thanks for shopping. Bye-bye.